Assalamu alaikum and good evening, my dear brother and sisters. Now we are going to read few important sentences in German language with English translation. The first sentence for you: We have to get up early today. In German, you will say, Wir müssen heute früh aufstehen. Wir müssen heute früh aufstehen. We have to get up early today. Number two, I can't do this alone. In German, you will say, Ich kann das nicht alleine machen. Ich kann das nicht alleine machen. I can't do this alone. Number three, she goes to the gym every day. She goes to the gym every day. In German, you will say, Sie geht jeden Tag ins Fitnessstudio. Sie geht jeden Tag ins Fitnessstudio. She goes to the gym every day. Number four, we want to go on a trip on the weekend. We want to go on a trip on the weekend. In German, you will say, wir möchten am Wochenende eine Reise machen. Wir möchten am Wochenende eine Reise machen. Number five, he forgot his mobile at home. He forgot his mobile phone at home. Hat sein Handy zu Hause vergessen. Hat sein Handy zu Hause vergessen. Number six, you should drink more water. You should drink more water. Ihr solltet mehr Wasser trinken. Ihr solltet mehr Wasser trinken. You should drink more water. Number seven, I find this book very interesting. I find this book very interesting. And in German language, you will say, Ich finde dieses Buch sehr interessant. Ich finde dieses Buch sehr interessant. I find this book very interesting. Number eight, my parents work in a company. My parents work in a company. In German language, you will say, meine Eltern arbeiten in einer Firma. Meine Eltern arbeiten in einer Firma. My parents work in a company. Number nine, can you please help me? Can you please help me? Kannst du mir bitte helfen? Kannst du bitte mir helfen? Okay? And now number 10. It is raining all day today. It is raining all day today. Es regnet heute den ganzen Tag. Es regnet heute den ganzen Tag. It is raining all day today. Number 11. We want to go to the sea in summer. We want to go to the sea in summer. Wir wollen im Sommer ans Meer fahren. Wir wollen im Sommer ans Meer fahren. We want to go to the sea in summer. Number 12. I watched a new movie yesterday. I watched a new movie yesterday. Ich habe gestern einen neuen Film gesehen. Ich habe gestern einen neuen Film gesehen. I watched a new movie yesterday. Number 13. She buys fresh vegetables at the market. She buys fresh vegetables at the market. Sie kauft frisches Gemüse auf dem Markt. Sie kauft frisches Gemüse auf dem Markt. Number 14. My brother is learning German at school. My brother is learning German at school. Mein Bruder lernt Deutsch in der Schule. Mein Bruder lernt Deutsch in der Schule. My brother is learning German at school. Number 15. We have no time to lose. We have no time to lose. Wir haben keine Zeit zu verlieren. Wir haben keine Zeit. We have no time zu verlieren. To lose. Zu verlieren. Verlieren. To lose. Okay? Number 16. He wants to buy a car. He wants to buy a car. Möchte ein Auto kaufen. Möchte ein Auto kaufen. He wants to buy a car. Number 17. I like eating chocolate. I like eating chocolate. In German you will say, ich esse gern Schokolade. Ich esse gern Schokolade. I like eating chocolate. Okay? Number 18. My friend and I often go to the cinema. My friend and I often go to the cinema. In German you will say, meine Freunde und ich gehen oft ins Kino. Meine Freunde und ich gehen oft ins Kino. My friends and I often go to the cinema. Number 19. She lives in a small apartment. She lives in a small apartment. Sie wohnt in einer kleinen Wohnung. Sie wohnt in einer kleinen Wohnung. She lives in a small apartment. Number 20. I still have to do my homework. I still have to do my homework. Ich muss noch meine Hausaufgaben machen. Ich muss noch meine Hausaufgaben machen. I still still have to do my homework. So these were 20 sentences, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope these sentences will be very useful and will be very helpful for you to learn and improve your German language. And with the passage of time, we'll try our best to write such sentences on a regular basis so that you can really improve and learn fast with us. So thank you very much for watching. And before going for upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice time and take care, dear friends.